Hi, I'm Dilip. I'm going to do screencasting of Lab 16 and Lab 17. And Lab 16 is managing VMware vSphere apps, and Lab 17 is user permissions. And the objective of this Lab 16 is perform vApp management task. And these are the three tasks I'm going to do. First one, I'm going to create a vApp. Now we have to go to the vSphere web client. In that, go to the home icon, click on vCenter. In that, I have to go to virtual machines. In the virtual machine, we can see two virtual machines. We have to turn it off, both the virtual machines. Right click on the virtual machine 1 and click Sudden Guest OS. It will prompt, click yes. Likewise, I have turned off second machine. Now I have to create a vApp. I'm going to home icon, click on vCenter. Here I can see vApps. Click on this. I have to create a new vApp. Click on this. Wizard will be open. Click on create a new vApp and click next. And I have to select my EXI host 1. This is host 1 and validating and click next. I have to give as a name Dilip-vApp and creating my lab VM and click next. In resource allocation, I have to leave default and click next. This is my summary page and click finish. Here we can see vApp has been created. Now I'm going to home, click on vCenter and going to host and clusters. Sorry, I'm going to VM templates, and this I can see that it has been created. Now I'm drag the machine and putting into the Dilip app. Likewise, I'm doing another machine too. Now I can see both the machine moving into the Dilip app, but I am unable to see here. In order to check this, I am going to host and clusters. Here I can see both the machine into the vApp. Now I'm editing settings of vApp. Right click on this and click edit settings. It will wizard will be open. Below the authoring, click on start order. I'm moving Dilip to group 2. Yes, it has been done. Now I'm changing the startup sequence to 20 seconds for both the machine. Here is 20 already done. Click on OK. It will take time to take. You can see the config has been updated. Now I'm turning on the vApp. Right click on the vApp and power on. It will take some times because the first machine will take very soon. The second will take at least 20 seconds after it has been created, because that's the reason we have entered 20 seconds there. You can see that the vApp has been started and task 2 is done. Now task 3 is to remove the vApp. To this, we have to revert back the virtual machine to the EXI host 1. Likewise, I'm doing the second one too. The machine moved into EXI host and right click on the vApp. Click on shutdown and click S. Now we have to delete vApp. Right click on the vApp. Click on all recent actions and delete from disk. Click yes. It will be get deleted, and you can see it has been deleted. The task 3 is over and lab 16 is done. Hi, another lab is lab 17, user permissions, and objective is use a custom user role. These are the 3 tasks I am going to do. First one is create a custom role in vCenter server. Second one, assign permission on vCenter server inventory objects. And third one, we have to verify the permission. Now I am going to do first task and I log into the vSphere web client. In this, I have to go to the vCenter. It's here, and click on the administration and click on the roles. Here's the role. Now click on this icon. Click an icon. It will come up in the wizard. Now I have to give my name. I have given the role name as VM created Dilip, and I have selected the below things from data store and network, and from resources, from assign virtual machine resource pools, and I clicked on virtual machine add disk and remove device memory, and I have selected all interactions, and from inventory I have created new and click on OK, and it will be create. Here we can see the role has been created, and now I'm going for second task to perform. Assign permissions, go to home, vCenter, and go to VMs and templates, and click on lab VMs. Click on this. Once I click on this, I have to click on the manage. The managers open, and permissions, and permissions is there, and in the permission tab I have to click the add permission icon. This is the add permission icon, and it will be displayed. From this assign role I have to click the VM created, which one is created in previous step. After that, in user and groups I have to add an user which is created in Active Directory. This is local. I am going to choose the user is Dilip. This is my Dilip, is my DC domain name. I'm clicking Bruce Wayne and click OK, and click OK. Here we can see it will be added. Yes, it has been added. Likewise, I have to add these permissions to all data stores. This is the data store I'm using, and the network which I'm going to use. I have to add this user for each and everything. I'm going to perform this task now. Here you can see I have the user for my XI host 1 and to my data center on my data store like this. Fine, now I have to log out from this, and I'm logging as an Bruce Wayne at dilip.local. Here I logged in as username Bruce Wayne. Now we have to check the user permissions. Go to vCenter and click on host and clusters, and click on the CXL Lab 4. Click on Lab VM and right click on Lab VM and click on new virtual machine. New result has been displayed. Create a new virtual machine, click next, and I'm giving as the lib-temp as a temporary, and checking on Lab VM, click next. I'm clicking on my lab server and click next. Clicking and selecting my host first, TXI host 1 is been validating. It has been completely check succeeded, and click next, and the storage is getting loaded. I'm selecting my data store and click next, and click next, leave it default, and guest family, click Windows, and guest version is in server 32-bit 2003 32-bit, click next. And that machine in memory we have to type 4, and hard disk we have to create as a 2 and leave everything as a default, and click next. This is the summary page, and click finished. Now a new virtual machine will be created. You can see it's getting created. We can see the lib-temp virtual machine has been created. The one thing is that this user able to create only the virtual machine. I have turned on the virtual machine, and when right click on the virtual machine and I check it, you can see only few option is available, other things are graded out. We cannot This user cannot delete his virtual machine because he able to only create the virtual machine, because this the permission we have been given in the previous task. That's it. Now we have to log in as vCenter, VCS, vSphere, and delete temp. That's it. Now I am logged in as administrator vSphere local. Here I can see the temp. Now I have to shut down this machine and I will delete the machine. Here you can see all the options available because he is an administrator. Go to all center actions and click delete from disk the temporary virtual machine. Click yes, and now it has been deleted. That's it. Task 3 is completed. That's my lab 17 is over. Thank you. Bye.